Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to change the gear cover of a Renault Duster. As you can see, my old Duster cover had completely broken down, so I tried to remove it, but I did not know the correct method. So I figured out the correct method, and now here this video is for you. So I tried to cut the gear shoe because it wasn't coming off, it didn't work out. So those are the bits and pieces. So I have a plus and a knife here, and I had ordered a shoe cover from Amazon, and now here I'm going to show you how to do it. This was the new thing that I ordered from Amazon, and here first of all, first step is to remove the cover, the leatherite cover, by clicking it towards the center. And once this is removed, you can see that there are clips, and now you have removed the leather cover. And okay, so it's not that simple. There is a zip tie around the leather cover, so you can't cut it off with a knife, and you can't cut it off with a pliers. We figured it out that using a scissor is the easiest way to get this thing out. So now this zip tie is attached to the original gear shoe. What you need to do is not twist or turn the original gear shoe, just forcefully lift it up. Like, you will need a lot of force. I did finally found some good hands to get the gear shoe out. So this is a slightly longish video, but I think you are going to enjoy this. See, now we are trying. I tried it, didn't happen. Now this has to be pulled out with a lot of force. Finally we got it pulled out, and what's left is this white shifter. Absolutely do not remove this gear shifter. If you remove it, then the entire gear shaft has to be replaced. This is the Amazon gear shoe that I had ordered. I wanted to order a very fancy snake one, but that didn't fit. So as you can see, the curves of the grooves of this gear shifter are different, and those fancy ones on Amazon do not fit the Renault Duster. Do not go by bad description and false representation that is going on Amazon. Now I finally found a good shoe cover from the local garage, and then what you have to do is you have to take the new shoe cover, put it inside the leatherite cover, and then zip tie it again so that it doesn't come off. Now make sure the two ends are together, and then tightly wound the zip tie around it, and just with the same force that you had taken to pull out the gear shoe cover, try to push it in with the same force, and just be sure that the angle is correct, because if the angle is not correct, then the markings on the gear shoe will be a little misaligned. So I tried once or twice before finally applying the force. And you can also see here I had really squeezed the zip tie towards myself to tighten it. Now the zip tie is really tight, and I'm just trying and testing the gear shoe cover and fitting it exactly the way it's supposed to do it. So now once you are done pushing it in, adjusting the right angle, then you just slowly pull down the leatherite cover and click it back inside. You will be able to see it. Just bear with me on this slightly longer video, and let me know if you like it. And as you can see, there's a lot of effort that's going in. It's not hit and trial, but yes, some alignment always goes in mechanical work. So there, the leatherite cover, you slide it down and try to click it back in, push it down. Even the clicking, it requires a little bit of effort, so don't give up too soon, just be at it. So I was really very patient, and I think I took about like 5 minutes to adjust it. Yeah, and the removing was also like 5 minutes. So all in all, it's like a 10-minute job, and anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So next time you want to change your gear shoe, just try it at home, and don't get duped on Amazon. And now we are done, and just test it. Make sure it's rightly clipped from the bottom so that it doesn't come off while you're shifting gears. So make sure the clicks are in place from down below.